It is amazing to see how nature and science can work together to build brain health. Supplements from Victus Life Sciences like Core Orac V, loaded with antioxidants, and Regen STEMVI with the benefits of exclusive extracts like moringa, astariol, and phytocells have shown that these compounds have an ability to reduce oxidative stress and to help maintain healthy brain cells. An amazing testimonial from one of our associates where he has got benefited from brain tumor by using these supplements which are rich in antioxidants. So you want to improve the health of your brain cells? Why don't you try it?